This is the lecture for Fiona McEvoy's Political Machines, Ethical Governance in the Age of AI. So when you read the article, you'll notice she talks about a lot of sort of like cognitive biases or mistakes that people make when they're evaluating evidence. And her first example is ego depletion. And this is just to say that there's sort of considerable debate in psychology about whether ego depletion like exists, even like whether or not it happens. People are debating, can this be replicated? Is this an actual effect, or is this something that we thought was happening due to some of these studies, but the studies were flawed, or they didn't show what they purported to show, or in all science, in most science, what you're doing is you're testing a hypothesis, and then if you sort of fail to reject the hypothesis with 95% confidence or something, that's good enough. But then, of course, 5% of the time, you think you've proven a hypothesis, but you haven't. Whatever. So this is just to say, maybe don't put too much stake in ego depletion, or maybe do. I don't know. Like think about it. At least some of the other ones, like the halo effect, the affect heuristic. I think these are better supported. There's in social science, there's always questions about how much of this is well established or not. And this is just to say, ego depletion, I don't know so much.